Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to share with you another good delicious recipe. This is goat meat nsala soup, also known as goat meat white soup. It is very easy and quick to make, and it is so delicious. So continue watching, do not skip a second, okay? Here are the list of all our ingredients. I have some goat meat here already washed and cut. I also have some local spice ehuru called calabash nutmeg, some seasoning cubes, and 3 habanero peppers. I also have this local spice called oziza seed. It gives a unique flavor to this soup. I also have some okpei known as castor seed or dawa, and I have some salt. This is poundo yam flour, that is yam flour. I'll be making use of it, and it's going to serve as the thickener. You can make use of yam if you have yam. Here I have some chopped onions. I also have my ground crayfish. So this is oziza leaf. This is the dried oziza leaf. I have been soaking it in water for almost 2 hours now, so you can make use of fresh one if you have. So this soup, as I said earlier, is very easy and quick to make. It is something you can just resort to if you don't have time to make other soups. So here I just added in my chopped onion. I also added the ground oziza seed. This is the ground ehuru seed. I added the ground okpei and also added some seasoning cubes and salt. So just pour water, just the quantity of water you want to be in the soup. Just pour it into the meat and just cover it and let it cook. My reason for adding in all my spices and seasonings from the start is because I want the spices to penetrate well inside the meat. Onions is optional. Usually I don't add onions to my soups, but this particular one I decided to add some onions, and it really came out well. But if for any reason you don't like onions, you can just omit that, okay? It is completely optional. So the cook time depends on whether you are using a female goat or a male goat. Female goat takes long time to cook. Like mine was a female goat, so I had to cook it for up to 45 minutes to 1 hour. But if you are using the male goat, you might need to cook it for a shorter period of time. So now that the goat meat is done, I added in my poundo yam, that's the thickener. And if you are making use of yam, just slice the yam and just throw it in there, and it's going to thicken the soup as it's cooking. So once the yam dissolves, you can test the soup and see if you need to add extra seasoning. I added my oziza leaves here because I was using the dried oziza leaf. Here is my ground habanero pepper. I added the ground peppers. I tested it and I realized I needed to add more crayfish, so I also added some crayfish and I let everything simmer for about 5 minutes. once the soup achieves the consistency you would want it to be, it is done. Okay, you can serve the soup with any swallow of your choice. My favorite for Ofe Nsala is pounded yam. Okay, let me know in the comment section what your favorite for the soup is. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and also turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.